crunchy onions, soft chicken, fabulous curry sauce. Now that's what I call bringing the takeaway back home. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today we're going to make Chinese chicken curry, takeaway style, with the curry paste we made the other day. So this starts with our chicken, which we're going to slice and blanch. So let's show you how to do this. Okay guys, starts with our chicken breast. So what we got to do, we don't want that skin on there. So let's get rid of that skin. Take the skin off. Done. And then what we want to do, we need to slice this chicken breast. So what we need to do is take that across there, and we want some slices, some nice slices, thin slices of chicken breast. So that's easy enough, look. So just chuck that in our bowl. I think we'll have a bit more. I think that's more than enough. So there's our chicken sliced, ready for blanching. Right, the only other thing with our ingredients, what we have is our curry paste that we made the other day. We've got some frozen peas, MSG, sugar, salt, and a small onion. So what we need to do, we need to chop our onion, but we want some wedge pieces in our curry. So straight down the middle, and then cut in, and then we have some wedges for our curry. You can pull all this apart, guys, or you can just put it in the pan when we're cooking, and it will fall apart with a ladle or spoon. It depends whatever you use to cook, but that makes it a little bit easier. Already done. So that's it basically. There's nothing to our chicken curry. So we need to put our onions in a bowl. Let's put our onions in a bowl. That's it. And we have a chicken stock cube. Okay, and we'll probably take half of it. Right, first job guys, we have to blanch our chicken. Okay, so let's get some water in a wok and blanch our chicken. Right guys, so we get a flame on, and we want some water in our wok. Bring the water up to the boil. Now what I like to do is just give it a little splash of soy sauce. Give it a little stir around. So that's our water coming up to a boil, and what we want to do is go in with our chicken, and all we're going to do is blanch cook this. Now by adding that little bit of a soy sauce in the water, it's a little bit of saltiness, but you know, it's not too salty. So just let that come back up to the boil, blanch our chicken, and then we'll take it out. It only takes about a minute or so to actually blanch the chicken once the water's boiling. So that's it guys. So what we're going to do now is take our chicken out. So that is our chicken cooked. It's as easy as that. And we'll put that back in our bowl. So that's our chicken cooked. Give the wok a quick wipe out. So all we need to do now is start our chicken curry. So put a little flame on, a little bit of oil in our pan, not much. Okay, we want to go in with our onions. And we'll go in with our peas. So quick this, guys. It's really easy. In with our chicken. In with a tiny splash of soy sauce. Just give that a little quick mix in there. And then we want to go in with our curry paste. So get our curry paste in there. Curry paste in. And then what we're going to do, guys, we need to go in with about 300 milliliters of water. So put in about 300 milliliters of water, which is probably about that much. And then we want to put in half of our chicken stock cube. So take half of the chicken stock cube and put it in there. Now you can actually mix this up in a bowl beforehand, but it's not really worth it really. So we get that in there, give it a good stir in. Turn up the heat a little bit now. In with our MSG. In with our sugar. And in with our salt. And that's it, guys. All we do now is stir it round until it thickens to our desired consistency. Doesn't get much easier than this, really. It's so quick to make a Chinese takeaway curry with our curry paste. So all we're doing is thickening it. But what you need to do, guys, you just need to thicken it to whatever how thickness you want. And there we are, guys. Chicken curry made. It doesn't get much easier than that. So turn off the flame and we need to serve it up. Let's serve it on this plate. Oh, yes. Yes, please. There we go, guys. Chicken curry made. Crunchy onions. Soft chicken. Fabulous curry sauce. Now that's what I call bringing the takeaway back home. Now guys, don't forget you would eat this with rice or chips or whatever you want, you know. but this is how easy it is to make. Don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time.